from 22nd September 25 to 26th September 2025. Stop. According to the petitioners, the opportunity ought to be extended to candidates from the EWS category also. Stop. Paragraph. Submission is that on 5th August 25, the window was opened for all categories to update their details within 12th August 25. Stop. The petitioners applied for obtaining the EWS certificate prior to the said date, but as the certificates were not issued by the competent authority prior to the said date, the same could not be supplied. Stop. Submission is that all certificates have been issued by the competent authority prior to 26th September 2025. Stop. Submission is that the petitioner should be allowed to update their reservation details. Stop. Learned counsel representing the commission opposes the submission of the petitioners. Stop. It has been submitted that as the candidates failed to submit their reservation details within the time stipulated, within the extended time stipulated by the commission, accordingly, they do not have a right to seek reservation. Stop. It has been submitted that the last date for submission of the past details had to be extended in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. Next. Reliance has been placed on judgments passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in support of the submission that certificates issued after the cut-off date cannot be relied upon for seeking benefit of reservation. Stop. Paragraph. The court has not been made aware of any order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in this regard. With regard to the direction issued in respect of OBC category, extending the time limit for submission of the certificates. Stop. Let the order passed by the court be placed before this bench on the adjourned date.
I have not said
maybe 13, maybe.
No, not 13.
Not 13th, 14th I'll keep it. Friday, 14th.
Even by 12.
I have said,
12th, the other matter is there. Everything will get jumbled up.
Malad, I have said, Malad, the
Yes.
High Court's orders have been stayed. What
Which
is the
order?
effect
I
of-
do not know. So I have mentioned any court's order. Please show. I do not know the High Court's order. I do not know the Supreme Court's
Yeah,
order.
that's it. Your lordships have
Yes.
not dealt with the matter.
Right, with these
Quite
matters.
natural.
So please place whatever is there.
Malad.
Achha, the receipt showing deposit of the deficit court fees filed
Malad, I am also kindly,
in the records.
Malad, one line can I am taking the point of maintainability.
All right. The issue of maintainability of the writ petition raised by the commission is left open. One judgment which was not there, please.
ABDV service also, Malad.
Yes, service is taken on record.
Grateful, Malad.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
Yes.
I do not know whether he is going to be available on foot. Huh?
No, it's all right, all right. I will. All right. I am available, Mr. Bhattacharya. Are you late available in court in every?